guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. So today's face pack is going to be out of this rose. Okay, yeah, nobody gave me this rose. I got it by myself. And did you guys know rose is really good for your skin? It has so many skin benefits, and rose water, as you all know, is so good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a facial cleanser out of this, and then we'll make a face pack. So guys, I have just taken some rose petals. I've made it into a paste like this, and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of milk, raw milk, to this. So I'm just going to take a cotton pad, dip it into this, and I'm going to cleanse my face with this. I'm just going to cleanse my face. Guys, once you've done that, we'll make a face pack and then we're going to apply that. So for this face pack, we need some rose petal paste and about 1 teaspoon of rice flour, and to this we'll add about 1 tablespoon of curd. So guys, here I have my rose petal paste. To this I'll be adding about 1 teaspoon of rice flour. To this I'll add about 2 teaspoons of curd, which is yogurt. So guys, I've applied this. Now I'm going to let it stay for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to rinse my face. So guys, I've rinsed my face now, and if you can see the difference, it's so smooth and it's become so glowy and so nice. So guys, you should definitely try this face pack and do try the facial cleanser. It's really beneficial for your skin. You can do it for about twice to thrice a week. That is no problem. All the ingredients are also very fresh and very good for your skin. So do try this and let me know in the comment section below, and I hope you've liked this video. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing well. So I've come up with this amazing face pack today. It's really good for your skin. It soothes your skin. If you have any redness, any irritation, that will definitely go. And also if you have acne marks, like I have a few marks here, so you can get rid of that too with camphor. I'm going to add camphor to this face pack. So this face pack is really simple. The only ingredient that you might require is some sandalwood powder and camphor, and we're just going to add some water and mix it, and that'll be a face pack. So I'm going to show you how to make this face pack. So let's start now. So for this, I'm going to take some sandalwood powder. So I've added about 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder. To this, I'm going to take camphor. I'm just going to take like half a tablet of camphor. Then I'm going to crush it and add it to this. Now I'm going to add some water to this. Just about half a teaspoon. This paste should be a little thick. So I'm going to mix this really well now. So now I'm going to apply this on my face. So guys, I've applied this. I'm going to let it stay for about 5 to 10 minutes. Let this dry completely, and then I'm going to wash my face. So guys, this is dried now. I'm going to wash my face and I'll be right back. So guys, I have just washed my face, and the marks have slightly reduced, and you should do it at least twice a week. This will definitely give you like really good results. Do try it and let me know in the comment section below, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link down below, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So if you can see, my eyes have become so puffy. I have a lot of dark circles. And I'm going to make this Ria eye cream which will help me remove the dark circle and the puffiness from my eyes. It's going to be really simple, and you should apply this every night before you go to bed. So I'm going to start this from today. So let's make this cream. Let's start now. So I'm going to start with mixing a few products. Firstly, we'll need some aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon. I'm going to add a few drops of almond oil. Now I'm going to add 1 vitamin E capsule. Mix it really well until you get this consistency. So guys, keep mixing it until it becomes creamy like this. So this is done. I'm just going to apply it now. So I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid and under my eyes as well. So once you applied it, just massage it for like 2 to 3 minutes. This will increase blood circulation and you'll get like really good sleep. So guys, apply it every night before you go to bed. It will get rid of all your dark circles and this will really get you like really good sleep. So try this and let me know in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like this video. I will see you soon guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So I've done a lot of videos for dry skin problems, but you guys have asked me to do a face mask for all you people who have oily skin. So here I am today. I'll be doing a face mask for people who have extremely oily skin, and this is an amazing banana face mask. So let's start now. So firstly, we will need a banana. Banana is amazing for oily skin. So all you gotta do is mash this. So here I have banana. We just require like half of this. So here I've taken half a banana. I'm gonna mash this really well. This, I'll add a pinch of baking soda, and we will also add some honey. Now we'll mix it really well. So guys, my face mask is ready. I'm just going to apply it on my face. So with the help of a brush. So I've added a little bit of baking soda because it's really good for your skin. It will treat acne, and you won't, because oily skin people mostly have acne problems, so this will get rid of that problem as well. And if you get any irritation with the baking soda, the honey will just soothe in it. So this face mask is really good for your skin, especially people who have oily skin. Guys, I've applied it all over my face now. I'm going to let it stay for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to wash my face. So guys, I've washed my face now. And make sure you just pat dry it and don't rub your face because we've just applied baking soda. So all the oil, extra oil from my face has been gone, and this is really good for people who have oily skin. It won't make your skin extremely dry. It will remove the extra oil and won't remove the moisture from your skin. So that's most important. So this face mask is really good. Do try it and let me know in the comment section below. And please don't forget to like this video. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So if you guys are suffering from puffy eyes or under eye problems, or dark circles, I have the perfect solution for you. So for this you will need some chilled water. and some vitamin E capsules. Now I'm going to take one vitamin E capsule. I'm going to cut this. I'm going to add it to this chilled water. Now I'm going to mix it really well. I'm going to take this cotton pad. I'm going to dip it into this water. And now just place it under your eyes. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So now let it stay for about 20 minutes and then you remove it. So you get a lot of these problems like puffy eyes because if you don't sleep properly, if your eating habits are bad, or if you consume a lot of alcohol, and if you smoke. So it's really bad for your skin, and especially near your under eye area. It swells up and looks really bad. So you should get proper sleep, eat well, and if you still have this problem, do this. Once you've applied it, just rest for 20 minutes. So it's been almost 20 minutes. I'm going to remove it now. So once you've done that, you should also apply a nice under eye cream. So the under eye cream that I use is from Lotus. This is the rejuvenating and correcting eye gel. I'm just going to take a very small amount. So once you've applied it, just massage it gently. So if you apply a nice under eye gel, this will hydrate your under eyes, and then it will also get rid of all the puffiness. So guys, if you have puffy eyes, you all should definitely do this. It will seriously get rid of all your puffiness. Also eat well and sleep well. This will get rid of all your problems. And I hope you've liked this video. Please hit the like button and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.